Hi students, good morning. So now continuation of atomic structure. Last time I given Schrodinger wave equation. Schrodinger wave equation simply Schrodinger Schrodinger wave equation simply formula dou square psi by dou x square psi by dou y square plus dou square psi by dou z square plus 8 pi square m by h square e minus v psi equal to 0. Here x, y, z are coordinate axis. Here psi means wave function, m means mass of the electron, h means Planck constant, E equal to total energy, V equal to potential energy. I explained. So these are Schrodinger wave equation and the probability of function also explained. Next, impedance. Importance is significance. Important significance. It gives the energy of electron in an atom is quantized. It gives the energy of electron in an atom. It gives the energy of electron in an atom is quantized. First point. Second point is it explains the space around the nucleus, probability of finding electron in three-dimensionally. So it explains the probability of finding electron in three-dimensionally. Space around the nucleus where the probability of finding electron in three-dimensionally. Okay? It gives the first point. It gives the energy of electron. Energy of electron in an atom is quantized. And second point is it explains the probability of finding electron. The probability of finding electron. Finding electron is three-dimensionally. It explains the probability of finding electron is probability of finding electron in three-dimensionally. Probability of finding electron in three-dimensionally. So these are. And another one is number of peaks in a curve equal to n minus l. Number of peaks in a curve equal to n minus l. Here n equal to azimuthal principal quantum number, l equal to azimuthal quantum number. So the curve of 2s orbital has two peaks. The curve of 2s orbital has two peaks at lower maximum at 0.53 angstrom units and higher maximum at 2.6 angstrom units radial distance. So once again, the number of peaks in a curve equal to n minus l. Here n equal to principal quantum number. L equal to azimuthal quantum number. The The number of peaks in a curve equal to n minus L. For 2s orbital, curve of for a curve of 2s orbital has two peaks at lower maximum at 0.53 angstrom units and higher maximum 2.6 angstrom units at radial distance. Okay, for a curve 2s orbital has two peaks at lower maximum, lower maximum at 0.53 angstrom units and higher maximum 2.6 angstrom units at radial distance. So write down these points. These are number of peaks. Number of peaks formula n minus L. Here n equal to principal quantum number, L equal to azimuthal quantum number. Quantum number concept next. So next orbital. Orbital means or subshell. The space around the nucleus. The space around the nucleus. The space around the nucleus where the probability of finding electron is maximum. The probability of finding electron is maximum. Is known as orbital. The space around the nucleus where the probability of finding electron is maximum is known as orbital. So simply the probability of finding electron is maximum is known as orbital. It is considered as a subshell. Orbitals can be classified into different types: s orbital, p orbital, d orbital and f orbital. The space around the nucleus where the probability of finding electron is maximum is known as orbital. Okay. So types of orbitals. First one is s orbital. Second one is p orbital. Third one is d orbital. Fourth one is f orbital. S orbital spherical shape. These are dumbbell. These are double dumbbell. These are four folded. So orbital shape, dumbbell, spherical shape of dumbbell, double dumbbell and four folded. So write down these points. Okay, s orbital spherical. S orbital is a non-directional orbital. S orbital, it is a non-directional orbital. It is a spherical shape. So s orbital shape, spherical shape. So s orbital. So these are s orbital. They are x-axis, z-axis, y-axis. So these are s orbital. S orbital non-directional orbital. It is a non-directional orbital like that. S orbital. In p subshell, three orbitals are represented as px, py, pz. In a p subshell, three orbitals are represented. P orbitals are represented as px, py, and pz. Px, py, pz. I am writing. So these are px. So these are x, z, y. So these are px orbital. Another one is x, y, z. So these are py orbital. After that, x, z, y. So these are pz orbital. Px orbital, py orbital, and pz orbital like that. Px orbital. Here py orbital. Pz orbital. Px orbital, py orbital, and pz orbital. Px orbital, py orbital, and pz orbital. Okay, in a p subshell, three orbitals are represented. Three orbitals are identified or represented as px, py, pz. And another one is d orbitals. P orbitals are directional orbitals. Some p orbitals are degenerate orbital. What do you mean by degenerate? Orbitals having same energy levels are called degenerate orbitals. P orbitals are directional nature and degenerate orbitals. Degenerate orbital, write down. P orbitals are degenerate orbitals. In a d subshell, five orbitals are represented as dxy, dyz, dzx, dx square minus y square, and dz square. Total 5 d orbitals. In a d subshell, 5 d orbitals are represented as dxy, dyz, dzx, dx square minus y square, dz square. Here dxy, dyz, and dzx are oriented between their axis, and dx square minus y square and dz square are oriented along their axis. Understand my point? dxy, dyz, dzx are oriented between their axis. But dx square minus y square and dz square are oriented along their axis. dxy, dyz, general d orbitals are two types. dxy, dyz, dzx one type of orbitals. dx square minus y square and dz square. First three category dxy, dyz, dzx orbitals are oriented between their axis. Between their axis. dx square minus y square and dz square are oriented along their axis. Right? I will draw the structures. X comma y. So dxy. dyz. dzx. dxy, dyz, dzx. dxy, dyz, dzx orbitals are oriented between their axis. Oriented. Okay, dxy, yz and zx. And another dx square minus y square, dz square. x, y. dx square, y square. dz square. Write down. dx square minus square, dz square. Along their axis. So these are orbitals. Okay. Nodal plane, we know. The space around the nucleus where the probability of finding electron is 0 is known as nodal plane. Previous I explained. The space around the nucleus where the probability of finding electron is, zero is known as nodal plane. Here on see. The space around the nucleus where the probability of finding electron is 0 is called the space around the nucleus where the probability of finding electron is 0. 0 is known as is called nodal plane. Nodal plane equal to azimuthal quantum number L. Nodal plane generally number of nodal planes of orbital equal to L. L means azimuthal quantum number. L means azimuthal quantum number. S orbital nodal plane S orbital nodal plane equal to 0 and P orbital nodal plane equal to 1. D orbital nodal plane equal to 2. F orbital nodal plane equal to 3. S orbital nodal plane 0, P orbital nodal plane 1, D orbital nodal plane 2, F orbital nodal plane 3. Generally any orbital nodal plane equal to azimuthal quantum number. Azimuthal quantum number means L. Quantum number so tomorrow I will explain. Okay, next another one is I will give tabular form. Type of orbital, number of nodal plane and nodal planes. So these are S orbital, Px, Py, Pz. S orbital nodal plane 0. P orbital nodal plane here 1. Px means Yz. Here 1, here also 1. Py means Zx. Pz means Xy. S orbital 0, 0. Px orbital nodal plane 1. Which direction? Yz. Px means Yz. Py means Zx. Pz means Xy. And after that dxy 2, where Yz and Zx. Yz and Zx. dxy, dyz, nodal planes 2. That means xy and zx. xy dzx, nodal planes 2. xy and so xy. xy and zy. xy and yz or zy. dxy means zx and yz. Yz means zx and xy. dzx means xy and yz. Next one is dx square minus y square. dx square minus y square dz square. Here also nodal plane 2 and 2. dx square and y square means dz square means xy and yz. Two nodal. dx square minus y square means xy and two nodal. So write down xy and dxy Write down. D orbitals having two nodal plane, dx square minus y square. Two orbitals here D. xz and yz. Or zx and zy. Zx comma zy. dz square. dz square means zx and zy here also. Zx and zy. dz square means xz and same. xz and yz both are equal. Write down these are nodal planes. Nodal plane means the plane where the probability of finding electron is zero is called nodal plane. S orbital nodal plane 0, P orbital nodal plane 1, D orbital nodal plane 2, F orbital nodal plane 4. F orbital no need. So these are different types. So these are Zx and Zy. These are Xz and Yz. Both are equal. dz square means like that. When so it. So these are nodal planes. Okay, students. So these are in orbitals and nodal plane. These are concept. Okay, orbital means the space around the nucleus where the probability of finding electron is maximum is known as orbital. In any orbital, each orbital contain how many electrons? 2 electrons, one clockwise, and in p subshell contain how many electrons? 6 electrons. Simple I am writing. Write down. Yes, dz square. dz square 2 means x, y and yz. S orbital contain any orbital contain 2 electrons. S orbital contain any orbital contain 2 maximum electron. Maximum electrons, maximum number of electrons 2. Any orbital contain maximum number of electrons 2. One electron clockwise, another electron is anti-clockwise direction. P subshell contain maximum number of electrons. Maximum number of electrons equal to 6 because pxo, py, pz and underneath d subshell contain maximum number of electrons equal to how many? 10. D orbitals are 5, dx like that. And next f subshell contain maximum number of electrons, so 14. F orbital 7. Okay, so p subshell contain maximum number of electrons 6 like that. Here p orbital is there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like that. So these are P and D means like that. So these are D orbital. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 like that. D orbitals. P subshell contain. Generally D orbitals and P orbitals are generally called degenerate orbitals. Degenerate orbitals. First write as D subshell. P subshell. P subshell. D subshell. Degenerate orbitals. Orbitals having same energy level. Orbitals having same energy level are called degenerate orbitals. So orbitals having same energy level. Same energy level are called degenerate orbitals. Example P orbital and D orbital. So I am taking P orbital like that and D orbitals. Here P, here okay. Same energy level. Same energy level. So orbitals having same energy level are called degenerate orbital. Example P orbital and D orbital. P orbital and D orbital. Okay, my dear students. So these are orbitals, nodal plane. Okay. Already before I given number of nodal planes, nodal regions, and radial nodes, angular nodes. Last time I explained number of radial nodes n minus L minus 1. Number of angular nodes L. So number of nodes n minus 1. Number of peaks in a curve equal to n minus L. So these are different. So radial probability and the wave function is psi. So these are different types of. So next class I will start quantum numbers. Very important. Next class I will start quantum numbers. Okay students, today enough. Remaining class tomorrow. Thank you for all.